Today we will discuss about the physical property of alkyl halide. The first physical property is nature of intermolecular forces, in which halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon. Carbon atom contain a partial positive charge and halogen atom contain partial negative charge. Thus, carbon halogen bond in alkyl halide is a polar covalent bond. Hence, alkyl halide is a polar compound. The size of halogen atom increases from fluorine to iodine. Hence, carbon halogen bond length increases and bond strength decreases. This is because the size of a p orbital of a halogen is increases. The p orbital more diffused and extent of overlap with orbital of carbon decreases. Some typical bond length, bond enthalpy and dipole moment of carbon halogen bond given in this table. The second physical property is boiling point. The boiling point of alkyl halide is higher than corresponding alkane due to high polarity and high molecular mass within alkyl halide. For the given alkyl group, the boiling point increases with increasing atomic mass of halogen atom because magnitude of van der Waals forces increases with increasing size and mass of a halogen atom. The boiling point of alkyl halide decreases in the order of alkyl halide as like alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride, alkyl fluoride. For the given example, methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide and methyl iodide and their boiling points. The boiling point is increases. The boiling point increases from alkyl fluoride to alkyl iodide. For the same halogen, boiling point increases with increasing carbon atom. For example, methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride and butyl chloride. Each alkyl halide contain one extra carbon atom. That compound contain one carbon atom, two carbon atom, three carbon atom, four carbon atom. As the numbers of carbon atom increases, the boiling point of alkyl halide is also increases. And in next part, in the isomeric alkyl halide, the boiling point decreases with increasing branching. For example, there is a N-butyl bromide, secondary butyl bromide and tertiary butyl bromide. That is a straight chain, one branch and two branch in this alkyl halide. As the numbers of branching increases, the boiling point decreases. The next physical property is solubility. Alkyl halides are moderately polar. They are insoluble in water. It is due to inability of alkyl halide to form a hydrogen bond with water. Attraction between alkyl halide molecules is stronger than attraction between alkyl halide and water molecule. Thus, alkyl halides are soluble in non-polar organic solvent. Aryl halides are also soluble in organic solvent but insoluble in water.